Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here in WTC Mall. I just dropped something in the machine. How many times I keep coming back here at the machine is always out of service. That's why I'll come back here early so that I can drop the empty bottle in a sparkler machine. The seating of the machine is an change. I don't know why. Here. I'm here in Lolo WTC Mall. Happy Monday everyone. May our day filled with love, joy, peace, happiness, compassion, and unity to each other. Monday. Today's Monday. It's our first day of office in school. Some of the international school there is still class. But the Filipino school, in the public government school, I think it's already summer vacation. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, suggestion, and of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. How many times I keep coming back here last time. Happy Monday everyone and enjoy your day.